Okay, so welcome back. Now the real question is, can Cardano do 10x, 20x or 30x? Now this is Cryptophile and I'm going to do a very short and sweet video, straight to the point. I don't go in deep what is Cardano, how it's working and all the stuff. You have so many videos out there for that. But the question is, can Cardano do 10x or 20x? Now it doesn't matter when you watch the video. It's most important is what is the price of the token, and you can do your maths in the time when you watch this video. So if you go to the CoinMarketCap, I'm using CoinMarketCap to follow the Cardano and also the CoinGecko. You will see that Cardano is sitting on number 8 on CoinMarketCap with the price of 0.37 cents at the time of recording this video. Now we have a little dip today, but doesn't matter. Market cap is 13 million. Okay, so let's go. I will go and use CoinGecko because it's much easier for me. So what is the good stuff here is if you go and you will see 24 hours, you know, we have going down, but doesn't matter. If you go down here, you will see that in 7 days we gain 2%, 30 days 44%, in 1 year only 22%. Now, is it possible for Cardano from this price to have potential 10x, 20x or 30x? Now, before we go anywhere, just please remember, nothing here is financial advice. Just disclaimer, I'm not giving you any financial advice. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now, I will tell you, and it's very easy to find out. The point is to zoom out of this amazing token. So if you go max, all right, you will see that the top of the bull market, the Cardano hit 3.09 cents right here to the right. Okay, so Cardano hit 3.9 cents. So the Cardano, even today price 37 cents, is still down almost 90% from all-time high. Correct? So that's how easy it is to see. Of course, this very important is how much is in the circulation, how many tokens they coming minted every single, you know, month or year, you know, how is inflation working basically. So once you take all of that into consideration, you will see that on CoinMarketCap, you will see that 78, almost 79% from all the circulation supply is out. Okay, so that's leaving only 20% to be out. What is amazing. Okay, so let's go and let's see if we can do 10x. So if the market go back to all-time high for Cardano, we're going to expect 9x from this point of viewing. All right, from today price we have 9x easy just to reach all-time high. Everybody's speculating that the next bull market, okay, is not going to be 3 trillion, okay, right here, okay, is going to be around 5, 6, 10, 15 trillions. Okay, people just speculating. According to me, if we hit 4, 5 trillion by 2025, we'll be happy days. Okay, so that's how easy it is to see where you can buy Cardano. You can go to the markets, okay, and you can see you can buy pretty much everywhere you can see. Bybit, so we have Bybit, Gate.io, we have Binance, we have Mexi, XT, Kraken, Hit BTC, and so on and so on. And the last thing I want to mention is if you go to CoinMarketCap, all right, if you go here to analytics, right here, all right, analytics, all right, you have a lot of good information right here. Let me just move my face. You have whale holding. They're only 7.4% whale holding. We don't have like 30, 40%, 50% whale holding. Okay, and here you can see addresses by holding. Okay, between 0 and 1,000 dollar, we have 87% already. Between 1 and 100,000 worth of tokens, 12%, and we have 100,000 plus, we have 0.29%. And this is very interesting. I didn't know. We have addresses by time held. Okay, holders we have 52%. Okay, traders 6%, and cruisers 41%. So 52% are holders, and the numbers is getting bigger and bigger and bigger with time. We all know the Cardano ecosystem is all building up, and it's nice and slow and building up on behind the scenes. Okay, if you want to find out a lot of crypto gems, I highly suggest to join one free. It's called Market Masters. It's called Portfolio Masters, by the way, on Telegram. It's free. Go and join right here, this one. They always having a great calls for crypto gems, okay? Just the last couple of weeks they did call, and their tokens did already 3, 4, 5x and so on and so on. The link will be in the description. Just join, it's free. If you want to join the VIP group, they have some promotions. Just use CryptoPhil code, you'll get around 30% discount till it's lasting for the next 10 days. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to watch any of my videos, what's called More You Give, More You Receive, because everything is important to help in life, because more you give is more you receive is everything in life. Thank you so much. Till the next one. Goodbye.